Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a thread on Threads application. Keep watching the video till the end to create a thread on Threads. Firstly, go ahead and launch/open your Threads application. Tap on the pen icon at the bottom of the page. Now, to create a thread, enter or type in anything that you want in the given space. You can also add a picture, GIF, sound, or hashtags if you want to, by tapping on the given icons, then click on Post. This is how you can create a thread on Threads application quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.